If you're ready to collapse timelines and step into the reality of your choosing right now, then this is the video for you. And I think this is going to be a really, really short one, because the principle really isn't that difficult to understand, right? So without going too far into the spiritual science of it all, we exist on three great planes of existence. There are more planes, but for the purposes of this channel, we only stick to the three great planes, which are the spiritual plane, the mental plane, and the physical plane. And we exist on all three planes all at once, yeah. And everything, like our entire existence, the universe's entire existence, is happening in this now moment, yeah. Because there is only now. And there's now, and there's now, and there's now, and there's now, but everything is now. It's only our perception of reality that creates this timeline, yeah? But really and truly, there is no past and there is no future, there is only now. So when we think of a past event, what we're doing there is bringing that past event into this now moment. And when we think of the future, what we're doing there is bringing that future event into this now moment. This is why people get so hung up about, like worrying about the future and regretting the past. It's because we're bringing it all into the now. And it's also why everybody can find peace in this now moment as easily as just closing your eyes and deciding to do that. In this now moment, nothing is wrong. Everybody can do that. And the more you can do that, the nicer, the more pleasant, the more peaceful your life becomes. But what we want to do is to create a now moment of the life that we choose, right? This is how you jump timelines. We create the now moment of the life that we wish to experience. And it's easy to do that. The only reason that we haven't yet lived the life that we want is because of all the stories that we tell ourselves to justify why we can't have it. In Thursday's video, I taught you about how memories are recreated. They're not just pictures in a photo album. We recreate them all the time. And quite often the memories that we recreate justify why we are feeling stuck. They justify why we can't have the thing that we want. And I taught you a really cool exercise of how to get rid of all of that so you see yourself in a new light. If you completely lost all memory, you knew who you were, but you didn't know anything else. You knew nothing about your life. You knew none of the conditioned programming that we had been taught along the way. And somebody told you the story of this incredible person living this incredible life and said that that was you, then you would go forward from that moment on being that version of you, right? Because this is who you'd just been told you were. You were this fantastically successful business person who, was fantastic at networking, who spoke really easily on camera, who did all the things that, maybe you want to do in life. And because you've now just been installed with this new belief system of all that you are, then you'd go forwards as that person, yes? And this is the thing, you can create your own script. It doesn't really matter anything that happened in the past because we're recreating ourselves in this now moment, right? And yeah, if this is too much of a jump for you, do the nervous system regulation to get your body on board. Do the subconscious reprogramming to get your mind on board. But really, really and truly, all it takes is a decision that this is who you are. And you walk like them, you talk like them, you think like them, you act like them. But I want you to make sure that you're not just pretending, yeah? Don't just pretend to be them, actually be them. Know yourself to be them. Get up every morning knowing yourself to be rich. Get up every morning knowing yourself to be wonderful, to be lovable, to be talented and creative and all of the things. Know that about yourself. Because as soon as you know it, you'll start that behavioral cycle of, beliefs create thoughts, thoughts create feelings, feelings create actions, actions create results, and results reinforce the belief again. You won't have any stories that are holding you back. You won't be contradicting your journey of being this wonderful, wonderful human because none of the old stories are relevant to you anymore. You believe yourself to be confident, so you think confident thoughts and you feel confident as you're walking around. And you act in a confident manner. And the results that you get will be completely different to when you're being timid about it all. It's like if you've ever been a singer, if you've ever sung, then getting a high note it can be like quite nerve-wracking, especially in front of an audience. I used to be a singer. And one of the things that I learned really, really early on is that if you approach high notes with confidence, then 9 times out of 10 you get them perfectly. Whereas if you're like really fearful about it, your voice is going to crack and you're going to be flat. Yeah. So when you approach things with the confidence that you believe yourself to have, confident things happen, right? Then it just reinforces that belief of confidence. But that's obviously just one example. But you get to write the script for your life. So if you want to collapse timelines and instantly step into a new reality, just be that reality now. Tell that story to yourself all the time. Never stop. Don't contradict it. This is who you are. This is who you know yourself to be. And that's it. That's the whole story. You're the author of your life. So you get to write your life the way that you want it to be. And you get to act your life the way you want it to be. You get to stop justifying why you can't have the thing that you say that you want. And again, if stepping into this new identity, this all that you really are, which is infinite, right? You are infinite pure love energy. You are limitless. And it's just the conditioning and the stories that we've been told that prevent us from feeling that way. But like I say, if jumping into this new reality feels a bit big for you, then start with not contradicting the life that you want. Identify the life that you want and stop telling stories against it. You'll be amazed at how beneficial you'll find that. So it's not telling yourself a new reality, it's just not telling yourself a reality that contradicts the reality that you want, right? I really encourage you to give it a go. Now, this is obviously the work that I do with my clients who, in my signature program, are 6- and 7-figure business owners, entrepreneurs, and leaders in their field who have reached a plateau in their life that they just can't seem to get past. I help you to do that. But if you're not there yet, then please don't worry, because there are so many other ways of working with me. And all the links that you need are in the description below. And of course, there's the YouTube membership, which we're doing the Q&A today. So if you're watching this early before 11 a.m. PT, then please come and join us in the membership and you can participate in that too. And in the meantime, you're going to find another video just there. So click on that one next. And if I don't see you on a call, if I don't see you in a workshop, if I don't see you in the YouTube membership, then I'll see you again very, very soon. Take care. Bye.